replacement, replacement, replacement.
Replacements.
Noun. 1.
An event in which one thing is substituted for another.
2.
The act of furnishing an equivalent person or thing in the place of another.
3.
Someone who takes the place of another person.
4.
A person or thing that takes or can take the place of another.
Listen and practice.
The replacement of lost blood by a transfusion of donor blood. The replacement of lost blood by a transfusion of donor blood. The replacement of damaged or lost books. The replacement of damaged or lost books. Taylor has nominated Adams as his replacement. Taylor has nominated Adams as his replacement.
Replacement.